In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your first email campaign. Go to Outreach and click on Create Campaign. Start setting up your campaign by giving a campaign name, your email subject line, the sender email. It is automatically filled with the information you have given. You can click on Add Sender to add your email, or you can navigate the settings and start setting up your sending profile. Then is the sender name. This is the name that is displayed in your contact inboxes. And finally, provide an email address to receive all your email campaign responses. Click Save and Next. The next step is to select an industry from the list of more than 25 plus industries listed below. When you select an industry, you will be shown a choice of email templates to choose from, including HTML templates and plain text templates. I'll first start with the plain text templates. You can choose the template and start customizing the content with the text editor. On the left-hand side, there are shortcodes for personalizing your content from the list first name, last name to unsubscribable URL, etc. The HTML templates can be easily customized with the drag and drop editor. Select a template and you can start modifying the content. You can preview it to see how it looks on the browser view, the mobile view, and you can also save it as a new template to use it in future. Once you're done modifying the template, click Next. You will be directed to the recipients page, and here you can choose who to send the campaign to. And when you click Next, this is the final step to review your campaign. You can also send a test mail to see how the campaign looks on your contact inboxes. When you click on Send, you have choice of selecting Send Now or customizing the campaign to be delivered to the exact date and time you want the campaign to be sent. When you click Send, your campaign will start sending in a few minutes. You can examine your campaign statistics in the Outreach section, and also when you click on the View Progress button to learn more about the campaign that has been sent. In this video, we have seen how to create a campaign in less than 5 minutes. Thank you for watching.